हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. If you want free premium accounts of different platforms, you can also go to our website, that is ppunified.blogspot.com. Today we are going to show you how you can get unlimited Instagram followers. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Yeah, yeah.
So the very first thing that you have to do is go to Instagram and create a dummy account from where you will have to collect your diamonds and coins and follow other accounts, like other accounts, etc. Now I have created my dummy account as the name of PB Test and username is bbte.st. I'm not gonna connect it with my Facebook. I don't have a Facebook. And put a profile picture. Just you have to make this account like it's a real account so that it doesn't get banned. You also have to follow other people, post things. It should look like it's a real account, otherwise it will get banned really soon. So now I'm gonna name the account as PB Test, and I can also put in some bio. Let's just say that I am testing followers, and there it is. So now I'm gonna follow some people to make an impact, like I am actually following someone and it's not a fake account. So I'll follow all of them. I'm not even looking who am I following. So now I have followed people as well. Now I'm gonna log in into this app. The link to this app will be in the description. All you have to do is click on it and you can download it from there. Put in my fake account, as in my dummy account's username and password, and log in into the app. Now as you can see, the language is different, so I'm gonna show you how to change the language in just a bit. Once we have logged in, you can see that I have 0 diamonds and 5 coins. Now this here right in the middle is how you can collect more diamonds and more coins. And as you can see, once I follow him, I will have a diamond. So a follow equals a diamond. And if I go to that heart symbol, you will see that a like is equal to a coin and a comment is also equal to a coin. And so this is how you can collect diamonds and coins in this app. All you have to do is either follow, like, or comment. Now I'm gonna show you how you can change the language because it's really hard to understand what's going on. So all you have to do is go to this symbol. I don't know what it's called right now. You'll have to go to the 6th option from the top and 4th option from the last. Click on it and you'll see this right language Persian. Click on that, select English, and now it's changed. Moving forward, I would like to remind you to like the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this, and we post every day. Now doing this over and over can be very time consuming, liking over and over, commenting over and over. So what you can do is go to the very left option and click on auto action, where you can give this app tasks to do for you. Like you can give it tasks to follow the people, whoever comes directly on its own, or like their pictures or comment on their pictures. You just have to assign it the task to do. So I thought about giving it 2 tasks together, liking and following people, but it showed me this warning, and you should follow this warning. If you give the app more than 1 task, there are a lot of chances that your account will get banned very soon. So try to give it only 1 task at a time. So right now, just to show you guys, I'm giving it all the 3 tasks, but you should only give it 1 task at a time. And as you can see, I have collected a lot of coins and diamonds as well. So the app provides you with a 2:1 ratio, that is 50 diamonds and you will get 25 followers, 100 diamonds and you will get 50 followers, and so on. Right now you can see that I have 28 coins but only 11 diamonds. So what you can do is you can convert your coins into diamonds or your diamonds into coins. It's up to you. Just go to the menu and go to conversion, and from here you can turn your diamonds into coins and turn your coins into diamonds. All you have to do is click on what you want and click on send request. Another thing that I want to tell you is the more dummy accounts you'll make, the faster you'll get followers and the more number of followers you'll get. And you can transfer your diamonds and coins from this account to another account. Just go to their menu, click on transfer, and from there you can log in into another one of your account and transfer all your diamonds and coins into that account. So once you have collected all your diamonds and coins from your dummy account, you can transfer them to your real account and get your followers. And I'm showing you guys that just by doing the task you can also get followers, and you saw that I didn't exchange any diamonds for followers. I just assigned the app with the task and I gained 2 followers, and that is how you can get unlimited Instagram followers. With this, we will be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?